You gonna be cooking the traditional turkey this
The
week?
ham? Oh, the turkey. Oh, turkey.
Ham or turkey?
Turkey. Who needs a turkey? Turkey on Christmas? You've got to be kidding me! We ham it up, I have to say, every Christmas. Sometimes every meal. Not just leftovers, separate hams for every meal. We have the sort of Hawaiian roast in the morning, you know, kind of the pineapple, the juice, the,
coconuts,
marinates or whatever, and I don't know what they call it. I open up the can, I dump it on there. Everybody loves it. You know, they say, "How'd you do this, Mark? How'd you get the ham to taste this good? I've never had ham that tastes this good." I just, it's simple, guys. Just open it up, just dump it on there. It's really no thing.
Where do you get the ham at?
We get it at Schnucks.